Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a high protein instant roti recipe which takes just under 5 minutes to make. No wheat flour, no besan flour, no rice flour, maida or rava. Super healthy, protein and fiber rich gluten-free roti to include in your PCOS, thyroid and diabetic diet. Or you can enjoy it as a healthy gluten-free roti in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half of a cucumber grated, half onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. To make this nutrient dense, I'm using 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh moringa leaves. However, instead of moringa leaves, you can use any green leafy vegetables of your choice like spinach, amaranth leaves, palak leaves, methi leaves, or even coriander leaves. Any green leafy vegetable of your choice will be ideal. You can also use moringa leaves powder instead of fresh moringa leaves. I'm just roughly tearing the leaves into the bowl. Next, I'm grating in a little bit of ginger, about 1/4 inch of ginger. Half teaspoon ajwain. I'm just crushing the ajwain with my palm like this and adding in so that the flavors are released. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Ajwain, jeera, hing and ginger will help in good digestion, so try not to omit them. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. With my hand, I'm mixing all the ingredients really well. Mixing with hand will help to release the moisture in the cucumber and in the onions. I'm using stone ground sattu flour, also known as roasted Bengal gram. I'm adding in half cup sattu, and with my hand I'm mixing this all really well. You may need to add in little extra water. Add water as needed once it has been roughly mixed. Sattu is rich in protein, iron and fiber. The high fiber in sattu prevents constipation. It has a low glycemic index. It helps in reducing blood sugar levels, hence ideal to include in diabetic diet. I'm adding in water little by little. Sattu has magnesium and potassium. The high vitamins and minerals in sattu helps to give a glowing skin and hair. So that's about 1/4 cup of water. And mix it really well and make sure there are no lumps. The fiber, protein and other vitamins and minerals helps to improve metabolism. And please note that sattu is entirely different from besan flour. Both are entirely different, so do not confuse it with besan flour. And try to use stone ground sattu flour so that you can make sure that all the vitamins and minerals are intact. Okay, now I have mixed it really well and this is the consistency you should be looking at. The best thing about this batter is that you can make ahead this and store it in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. It is neither too thick nor too thin but of flowing consistency. So this is the consistency of the batter you should be looking at. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil. Pour in 1 to 1.5 ladle full of the batter and spread it out into a round circle as thinly as possible. Drizzle in little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Remember that healthy fats like wood pressed oils and A2 desi ghee helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. Cover and let it cook on low flame. A couple of minutes later, open the lid, carefully flip it over. Once that side is done, flip it over and my super healthy instant high protein and gluten-free roti is ready to serve. This roti is ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal as it will stay soft once it has cooled down. It's an ideal meal to have for breakfast, lunch or dinner with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy gluten-free high protein roti and let me know how it turned out. Today I'm sharing a high protein paratha recipe which will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. This paratha is also ideal as a post workout meal. Bachelors and students can easily make this high protein and nutrient dense paratha. This paratha is also excellent to carry as a travel food. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I have already kneaded 1 cup of whole wheat flour and I am keeping it aside till I get the other ingredients ready. Today I am using kapli wheat, which is an ancient variety of wheat grain. Do check my video on kapli wheat to understand more. Now let's make the high protein mix, and for that I have already chopped 1 onion, 1 green chilli and 1/4 inch of ginger. Heat a cast iron pan with 1.5 tablespoon desi ghee, and once the desi ghee is heated, add in 3/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and once it splutters, add in the chopped onion, green chillies and mix well. Reduce the flame to the lowest, and once the onion is transparent and is light pink in color, add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon ajwain, which I am lightly crushing before adding so that the flavors are released, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps the absorption of turmeric faster into your body, so try to use a little bit of black pepper powder whenever you are using turmeric. Now give this all a mix and let it saute for about a minute so that the spices are lightly roasted and the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Add in 4 tablespoons sattu. Sattu flour is made from roasted chana dal. Now give this all a mix and lightly roast the sattu flour. Sattu is rich in protein and contains iron, manganese and magnesium. Sattu is popular in the summer as it helps to cool your body. It's ideal for children, pregnant women and senior citizens. It's easily available and is less expensive. Sattu is easily digestible and the addition of ajwain and jeera helps with better digestion. I have already shared a sattu laddu. Do check it out as it's a great healthy snack for summer. Once roasted, add in some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. If you don't have amchur, at this stage you can add in juice of 1 lemon. Transfer this to a plate and allow it to cool down. I'm kneading the dough a couple of times again, and then I'm dividing the dough into 4 equal sized balls. Now to make the paratha, take 1 portion of the dough and dust with wheat flour and roll into a small circle. Place about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of the sattu mix and press down with the spoon and close all the sides, and then roll it out as I'm showing in the video. Once it has been rolled out into a paratha, place the paratha on the hot cast iron tawa. Drizzle little desi ghee and flip it over. Again drizzle little desi ghee, and once both sides are well cooked, remove the paratha and repeat the same with the rest of the dough. I am also making a simple onion carrot salad. So I have added some pink Himalayan salt and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a good source of healthy, gut-friendly, good bacteria. If you want to know more about the health benefits of using apple cider vinegar, please do check my video on apple cider vinegar and its health benefits. You can see how well the filling has spread inside the paratha. I'm serving the sattu paratha with some salad and homemade pickle. Homemade pickles made in the traditional way are a good source of probiotics. So guys, do try this healthy, high protein sattu paratha and let me know how it turned out.